Hi friends, so we added new stickers to the graphic selection and these are moon faces. So we've already created pre-made templates for you which you can use commercially or personally. You can use them as is or you can further apply changes to them. So if you open the hub page, you will see these few templates here and you're free to use them all. I will also show you how you can just use the graphics and apply them to your own template. So on the create page, open the widget panel and then you can filter for graphics and then also moon faces, and they will be divided or categorized into the south and the north part. So if you live in the United States or Europe, you can select north like this. Then all will show up down here below and you can apply them like you would with a widget. So just click on them and then they will show up here within the box. We added all months from January till December, and down below you will also find a yearly moon calendar, a circular one like this one here, and then one that is horizontal and one that is vertical like this. Now you can also add them as a sticker, so you can move them freely on the template. To do that, select the sticker mode and then search for moon face, and then they will all show up down here and you can click on them. They will appear on the template and then here you can resize it and freely drag them around on the planner, on the template like this. So next I will also show you how to recreate this planner right here, which is a planner with 4 pages. It has a cover and a back cover included. And then if you open the planner, you see the days, you see the months from January till December. So each page has 2 months. And you can use this planner to take notes or keep notes of different events or birthdays or anything else. So you can use this planner in many different ways, and you can also sell this planner as well. So this is the planner we will be recreating. It has 4 pages in total, and I also added pink boxes into the planner so you know what kind of layouts you'll have to recreate. So this is how the cover looks like. How I created the cover is I just used a 1-box layout, a big box, and then I've added this graphic within that box, and then additionally added a few stickers to decorate the back and the front cover. And then the second layout we'll be recreating is this layout here. It has in total 2 rows and 4 columns. This is the layout we'll be recreating, and each page has the same layout. So we can just create this layout once and then copy paste it to all the other pages. So let's start with the first page, which is the cover. So on the create page, open the layout panel and then create a layout that only has 1 box. You can either create a 1-box layout here, down here below, by deleting the second box and expanding the box A like this, or you can select the layout up here. So up here you can select different kinds of layouts, so you can click on the 1 box and then add the first layout. And also copy paste this left side to the right side to have 2 identical layouts. Now in this layout on the right side, go to graphics, filter for moon faces north, and then add the vertical moon calendar, and there you go. And actually the left page should be empty, so to do that, select the left page, open the layout panel and then click on the A box and remove it like this. So this is how the layout looks like. Next, let's decorate it. Activate the sticker mode, go to stickers, search for celestial, and then all the celestial themed stickers should show up down here below, and I've used the stars to decorate the planner. So from here on you can randomly add stars or moons or any other kinds of stickers to the template, and if you don't want to decorate it, you can just skip this step and just leave it as is. but I will quickly decorate the planner, just add a few stickers to show you how it works. Okay, so in the original planner I've added much more stickers, but I'll just leave it as it is right now. So once you've created your cover page, open the multiple page panel, and now you can add an additional page to your planner. So click on Add Page, go back to Planner mode, open the Layout panel, select the left page, and now add 2 columns. So you can click on Add Right Column, and then add boxes within the column like this. And now add 4 rows in total, 2, 3, 4. And then add a third box like this and expand it. Below it add another box like this, 2 other boxes, and in the last row add a box that expands the whole width again. So this is how the layout should look like, and now you see that the first column is a tiny bit wider, so click on 1 fraction. Then this window should show up where you can increase the amount. So set it to 1.5 fractions, and the other one should be 1 fraction like this. So once you've created your left layout, copy paste it to the right side. So you have 2 identical layouts. In the first layout, click on it, open the monthly selection for widgets, then click on calendar, and then below where it says months, you can type in the month 2022 and January 1 like this. And then you can also choose if you want to show the weekdays long or narrow or short like this. So I'll set it to narrow like this. And next, let's change the styling of the planner. So actually it should look like this, or you can select any style you want, but for this planner I've selected the classic 2 style, this one, which looks like this. And then for the font, under body text you can change the font within the widget. So here I've selected the Signica negative font, this one here, and this is how the planner looks like right now. Then you can copy this widget to this part here below and then change it to February. And you can also reduce the rows because we don't need this extra row down here. And next, let's add the graphics. So click on the box up here, go to graphic, open moon faces north or south, and then add January. Down here below, add February. So you see the name up here where it says North Moon to February. So here are the months, so you know which one to select. So here's February, and then next one is this widget here. This one is a big widget. It's a multiple box widget, which you can find when you go to widget, and then under all, it's this widget right here which says multiple box. So click on it, and then you can further customize how many sections and rows you would like to have. So here I've added 3 sections and 3 rows, but you can also increase the sections like this if you would like to. And then I've also added a header up here under header. Click on show header, and then you can type in January. Copy this widget, paste it below, and this is how the first page looks like. The only thing missing now is the text, the title. So go to the text panel, add a left title, increase the font, and select a font you like. So for this planner, I've selected the Palace font. Select the font to be placed in the middle, like this, and type in January, February 2022, like this. Or you can type in any other title or text you want. And this is how the first page looks like. And then from here, copy paste it from the left to the right side. And the only thing you need to do from here on is just click on the months, change the months. So this would be March. Down here it would be April, month 4. And then you also would need to change the graphics. So again, graphic, moon face north, and then add March, and below add April. And then you would also need to change the header text of these widgets. So here it would say in March, down here in April. I forgot to change the text on the left side as well. So here it's in February. And then also change the text, the title text up here, which is March, and then April. Okay, so page 1 is the cover, and page 2 is where the monthly pages start. And then you can click on duplicate to duplicate this page. So now we're on page 3, and then from here you can repeat all the steps. So January would change to May, and then here would be June, July, August, and so on until you've created all months, and then you should end up with a planner that has 4 pages. So the finished planner should look like this: a cover page, then January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, and the last page is September, October, November, and December. And then you can save this planner to your collection, and when you export the planner, click on Batch Generate. If you're using the planner physically and you're adding it to a binder, then depending on what paper size you're printing, select the size, and then also select Rearrange Pages for Ring Planners, and then click on Batch Generate PDF. If you are using this planner in an iPad, you can select this option here and click on Do Not Arrange, because you don't want the pages to be rearranged in an iPad, in GoodNotes, or any digital planner app. And then click on Batch Generate PDF as well. So this was how to create a moon phase calendar. And if you have any questions, feel free to message me on Instagram or Facebook anytime, and I will try to respond to your questions as quickly as I can. Bye!